Okay, first mode we're going to talk about is program mode. So if you flip the camera to P on the top here, that's going to be program. Now, this is a mode that we'll probably use before you get more confident with your other settings. So it's going to pretty much select everything for you, especially if you have ISO set to auto. So if that's set to auto, it's going to choose all the settings for you. The one thing that it does allow you to do is to have control of the ISO. So if you didn't have that, if you're like on full auto, which is the auto button up here, you wouldn't have the ability to change the ISO if you wanted to. The other thing that allows you to do is to hit this little plus minus button here, and that opens up your light meter. So with the light meter, you can change how bright or dark the picture will be. Okay, so when we talk about changing our exposure, that's changing how bright or dark an image might be. That little plus minus button is going to be how we activate that light meter to be able to change how bright we want the picture to be. Okay, because when we press down halfway, we get a focus, the camera is going to meter for light, and it may not always choose the brightness that we want to have in our picture. Okay, so that's program mode.